What day is it? What day is it?
OBSCURE meet day.
We gotta throw my banner on before we head to the meet because I don't have a banner.
I ain't been living right. The little arguments always start the fight. I had to get away, so I'm with you tonight. Is there another guy? Be honest, honest, honest. Are you honest? Cause I'm honest, honest.
I have the boy Anthony behind me, as you can see back there. We are headed to the location of our car meet right now, which is T4 on Capitol. We'll see you guys there.
For the culture, the real culture, for all my niggas. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
We made it.
Yeah.
But we have a situation where we have an inflatable man. I'll show you guys later, but no power. We got no power nowhere.
So we're trying to find a cigarette lighter plug that we can. Martin threw a piece of tampon at a wasp nest. Time to set up the table. Stickers.
Ooh, we selling stickers.
Hella rotten stickers. Flight
Bunch of other ones. Hit the dance, hit the dance. Ooh. Oh.
Better go. Tell her stay back till her ASAP. I don't play that with a hoe. She gon' hate that, she gon' say that. I'm an asshole, but I know. Listen, nigga, you ain't really about the shit. I've been ballin' from the start, and now I'm really about to spit. Who you fucking with? About to kill the game with a hit. Started eating tracks and win. Never starved ever since. Goddamn.
Tell us how you feeling right now, bro. What's going on?
Honestly, in my head, I'm really nervous. I'm always grateful for everyone that shows up to our meets.
It's slowly filling up.
7:14 right now. Meet started at 7. So
Guys, we finally ran extension cords like a mile away, all the way down there.
yes, sir.
YG type beat. I finna go up though. I don't give a fuck, I like it though. You know what I'm saying? Sue me, bitch. Hey, okay though. Hey, hey. My mama mad at me cause I'm thuggin'. Too bad, a big blood, you never catch a Rucci with a blue rag. Car pull up, I'm like the Saints, nigga, who that? I'm rich as a bitch. Bitch, why you mad? I'm still B, walking to the bank. Hit the stage, make your bitch faint, Eddie Kane. They make a shot at me, but they miss. No, I ain't. I'm drinking Henny with the coke, no cane. Ayy, back to back and black whip, bitch, that's Norf. Talking shit, you get black, bitch, that's Norf. Okay, my bitch got a bitch, I got a bitch, that's Norf. I'm at that park, fork with a stick, that's Norf. If you try me, I'ma turn you to a lick, that's Norf. I'm at your front door, cause nigga, I don't bitch, that's Norf. She suck my dick, then you get that bitch a kiss, that's South. Nigga, that ain't Norf, that's South. Ayy, 100K followers, but nobody know you, that's clout. I could've played ball, but I took the bad route. What you mean? The rap route. What you mean? Tryna see what the racks bout. Feet up in first class, ain't tripped out with the beam, I'm a high. Nigga, I drop me a album, nigga, drop me a nigga.
We got some there's a lot of Beamers here because Ron Martin, he invited all, he's like a big Beamer guy. He's got the E36, the red E36, so all the Beamer guys came out. Beamer right here. This thing's mint. Oh, I've seen this thing on like TikTok. I don't know who that is, but your car's cool.
Darts keep continuously filming.
Shout out to Stay Cozy. That's the homies over there. They probably can't hear me, but for some reason we moved the table outside. Fuck them.
No, I'm kidding, I love it.
You already know? You already know? Who's this guy? Who's this guy?
Go crazy, do it for a Shark Tank, baby. Whether for my Shark Tank ladies, I ain't tryna see you dance, cause that shit don't faze me. I'm tryna see you shake that ass and go many. Bitch, go crazy, do it for a Shark Tank, baby. Whether for my Shark Tank ladies, I ain't tryna see you dance, cause that shit don't faze me. I'm tryna see you shake that ass and go many.
Got the plushies, bro.
Single dad with 2 kids.
Got the plushies.
Single dad and 2 kids. These are $40 each. His name is $40 each.
Bro, I'm Lil E.
This one, his name is he don't got a name.
Ah, you don't got a name.
This one is Riley Kuma.
Cool, bro. The status. Shout out to the status.
Drinking that Henny in our drink. Baby, come and swim with the sharks in the tank. Go ahead and go crazy. Shawty rock the boat, no Navy. Do it for a Shark Tank, baby.
How was it?
Pretty fucking fun.
Yeah?
What a movie, huh?
What a movie, bro. We're about to clean up right now. Me's kind of shutting down. And the OBSCURE me vlog, bro.
Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you everyone that came out tonight supporting Hella Ryan and OBSCURE.
Yes, sir.
Go crazy, do it for a Shark Tank, baby. Whether for my Shark Tank ladies, I ain't tryna see you dance, cause that shit don't faze me. I'm tryna see you shake that ass and go.